It's my life. It's my life. Hey, how are you? Happy Sunday. Right now, we are chillaxing in the house. Happy New Year. If you didn't watch my previous vlog, Happy New Year again. The family and I did absolutely nothing this whole weekend. The only thing I did was cook dinner. For dinner, if you didn't see my last vlog, we had macaroni and cheese, salmon, collard greens, black-eyed peas, and cornbread.
Previously.
We did take showers and got out of the old pajamas and into new pajamas. We didn't go out, we didn't leave the house. The husband and the son been playing games. The daughter, she's been doing her. I've been doing me. We just been in the house lazy. Happy New Year! So for Christmas, I got a utility cart. This cart is going to go into my craft room. I am a crafter. I've been doing it since 2016. I'm not a pandemic crafter. But anywho, so yeah, come watch me put it together. This is the final product. I didn't plug it in. I didn't do anything. I also got my Cricut Maker for Christmas as well. That's why I needed that cart. I already had this cart and I already had this Cricut. I'm back. I'm tired. As you can see, I'm in the bed. I'm sleepy. But today was a relaxing day, very relaxing day. I did absolutely nothing the whole day until about 5 o'clock when my parents came over. They came over to eat dinner from the leftovers from yesterday. And then once they left, Kenny and I put my cart together, and then we put it in my craft room. I didn't even have the energy to plug up my Cricut Maker. I'm tired. I'm tired. Tomorrow is our first, supposedly, allegedly, our first snow day. So, we shall see. But for now, I am tired, and I will talk to y'all later. Good night. Good morning. Happy Monday. This is what I woke up to, and it's still snowing. Our first snow in 2022.
A few inches later.
This is so pretty to me. Now you can't even see our basketball court.
A few inches later.
Ooh, looky. Y'all see that? That is so pretty. The trampoline. Definitely can't see the basketball court anymore. That is too pretty. And it's still snowing. This is my view from the kitchen. Look at the table. Look at the deck. From our family room. This is our view. There we go. Wait, do it again. Oh my God, I got that on. Oh my God. I got that on video, Nyla.
I was gonna do that to her.
You might want to put a hood back on, boo-boo. You. Did y'all make snowballs?
Yes.
And threw them at each other?
Yes.
I missed it. Look at the snowball he made. Ooh, perfect snowball. Look at my girl. She being crazy. She ain't got no gloves on. She ain't got nothing on. She's weird.
Get out.
It might have came out with a... Ooh, perfect. That's why y'all shouldn't go in the street.
Okay.
Several days later.
Hey, y'all. Happy Sunday. Hey, husband. The husband and I, we are about to do an errand. And then afterwards, I think we're going to Sam's Club. I'm not for certain. but I'll let y'all know. We are done with Sam's Club. We use the scan and go option for the first time today, and it was really nice. Now we're headed home to have dinner. I think for dinner we're gonna have hot dogs and french fries, but I'll see you when we get home.
Whose shoes are you wearing?
Say it again.
Whose shoes are you wearing? Those are mine.
Good observation, Watson. I'm about to go to bed, but just wanted to close out today's vlog. We didn't do much today. We just chilled. Kenny and I ran an errand, and then afterwards we went to Sam's Club. If you have a Sam's Club in your area, I suggest you become a member and utilize their scan and go feature. It's amazing. For dinner, Kenny made hamburgers and hot dogs and fries. The food was good. During dinner, Andre, Kenny, and I watched Beverly Hill Cop. I've never seen it ever before. It was funny. Now I am about to pin my hair up and go to bed. Good night.
It's my life.